I can't push it back anymore. It's time to reset, revamp, and refresh my closet. Okay, I took out everything that was like in the hanging part of the closet, and right now I'm just gonna sort out what I'm gonna put away and what I'm gonna keep. I did technically ended up real quick getting some of the like sweaters down and thing because it got chilly really quick. At least for me it did. We do have some other stuff that I need to bring out, like the coats and stuff, and just have that organization going. What I'm gonna put away is things that I don't see myself using like at all during fall slash winter ish season, even though some things can be worn. It's just that maybe I don't feel like personally wearing them. And I'm gonna explain what I mean. This jacket, for example, it's a jean jacket, no stretch. It really is a thick, good quality jacket. I think I got this at Kiabi 2 years ago. It is Kiabi. But yeah, in terms of having to layer this with like a long sleeve underneath, I don't know if I will actually like that, because that could sometimes be like tight fitting as well. So I'm thinking I might put this up and then just be happy to rediscover it in a few months. This is like one item that can be kept around for fall. Not sure for winter, depending on where you are, but definitely for fall, you can wear like a turtleneck or something like that and it could be super cute. But for sure, things that I'll be putting away is like strapless or spaghetti straps type of outfits. I have this right here. It's super cute and you can see it has like a V-neck but with a wide back also. So it's like really open and there's no way that I can actually layer this for it to look cute, and it is technically like a tight fit. So again, it's something that I'll be putting away just to be happy to rediscover, when spring, summer times comes around. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be folding all of those things and then put them on the side and hopefully put them up somewhere where, we don't go all the time. Also, I have to explain a little bit about my closet, but yeah, you'll see. Okay, so this is one of the items which I'm not so sure if I want to put away, just because I kind of paired it with a long sleeve underneath. I wear it with a turtleneck, but you can do it without a turtleneck. But like you see what I mean? I find it really cute put together like this, but I don't know if it's cute on me with my body type or if it's just for somebody else. But like the styling of it, like, I really do like it, but I'm not so sure. So I may put away this because obviously you remove the turtleneck, the long sleeve, and it's perfect for summer, right? But I don't know. A good tip when it comes to organizing your closet is like kind of knowing your space. So as you can see, my closet is actually really large or wide, should I say. Like it's like arm's length, and that's only because obviously the clothes, when we hang them, they hang this way, like this way, instead of from inside out, even though actually it probably makes sense both ways for it to be like super large. I don't know, but anyways, and it's really tall. So for sure at the back of it, like this back area at the top, nobody goes there. So that's where I technically kind of put like clothes that I'm not using right now because it will be difficult to get there, right? So that's how I end up storing my clothes and just rotating them after in the same closet. day two of dealing with my closet. We reset the closet by switching out all of the summer clothing to fall winter clothing. And today I'm going to refresh and revamp. For the refresh part, I'm actually going to see if I can just organize the hanging area into like color coded um items. So I don't know. I'm gonna see what kind of colors we have and how I can do so. And also I'm gonna do it for my boyfriend as for myself. And then the revamp part is when I'm gonna try and see like the different types of looks that I can create with the items that are in my wardrobe like every year, depending on the item that I have, because sometimes we declutter, we lose some items, sometimes we buy new items. So it's good just to have like a different type of style every year. And I just like to do that just to have ideas, take pictures of them, etc. So just to give you some info. So when I look at the space like this, I can already see we have some colors that are the same, like the gray, for example. We have like red items. It's not the same red, but you get the gist of it. And then we also have like the same actually blue um plated type of button up shirt. We also have black. So I'm just gonna make it look aesthetic. And yeah. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. Just keep in mind that it probably would look fuller because some clothes are in the hamper. Um, but yeah, why I find this neat is because if ever we wanted to coordinate, match, it would just be easier to be like, okay, well, I'm wearing black today. It's easier to find something black or something that is the same thing, similar color, etc. I find this is like a good tip for like if you're living with your partner to just have it laid out like that if you have the possibility to have like a setup similar to this. Now that that's done, we're gonna pass to the revamp part with the styling and everything just to get an idea overall what would be like my fall winter capsule wardrobe. Obviously things would might change if I end up buying like new items or stuff like that. But also I was thinking like if it would be fun to do it like look for inspo on Pinterest and then try to recreate. But then I was like, I don't know if I would actually have items to do stuff like that. So maybe it would just be best if I create looks with what I have already. And then I would actually create a Pinterest board and hopefully people might get inspired by my style. Uh because yeah, given that I'm more on the curvy side, so we'll see. So I like this outfit. I'm not wearing shoes though because I'm on the in the bedroom on the carpet. I like the colors. It's very fall, very pumpkin, very I don't know, I want to say academy schoolgirl type of vibe, but also and I also bought like this, not bought, but I had like this. I accessorized it with like a pearl band-ish, so that's why I feel like it's very preppy. And then we can just layer it if it's like really chilly outside, obviously, with my coat here. This is the second outfit. This is actually a dress, a long sleeve. It's super light. Obviously, this is a new item in my wardrobe. And I'm just trying to see how I can style it in different ways. And I actually like this style. Also, obviously, if it gets colder, I don't know if you can see, but you're just wear, what do you call it, a pantyhose or something to keep your legs warm. You can wear this with a high boot. You can wear this with sneakers. At least that's what I would do, and I actually totally love it. I didn't put anything in my hair, but you can put like a red bow or something like that. And because of the colors, I feel like you could totally pull this look off for like Christmas type of vibe. It is actually so really cute. I didn't know that I was gonna like it. And it acts like, a skirt kind of, but like it's matching. I don't know. I just love the vibe. And again, you can just pull your coat over. if it's like really, really super cold outside. Okay, I went super simple for this one. It's just long sleeve, like knitted type of shirt. It keeps warm. I love it so much. It's super comfortable. And I just paired it with like a pair of black pants. They're stretchy, but obviously you can wear it with jeans or whatever. But you have to have a simple, basic outfit in your wardrobes. It's like easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I don't know what I'm saying. Obviously, I'm not a professional at this. And then eventually you can pair it again with like a trench coat or any type of coat that you have if you need to stay warmer. I'm actually pairing mine with a black trench coat. It actually is a male black trench coat, but my boyfriend doesn't wear it or use it anymore. So I'm like, maybe this year I can try to rock it. I don't know if you can tell if it's like a men thing or not, but hey, if you don't know, you don't know, right? Like, this top piece is actually a new item in my wardrobe as well. I have this black dress that kind of makes me look like a grandma, honestly, but paired with this top like this, I just like how it's flowy underneath and I find it looks good overall. I put a belt to hold it, but you can wear it without a belt, or if you have an even thicker belt, I feel like this would be super great. I like it just the way it is, to be honest. I can also remove the belt, but I just don't want to wear the clothes. I want to style them also. And I feel like you could make this like different according to your like figure, for example, because I can actually bring it a little higher up and it will like change the look a little bit or at least change the form of it. So my belt isn't tight enough. Again, if you have a bigger belt, this would work great also, but like I feel like it made a difference. And then you could also like, really fluff out the ends and have that like upside down U shape will kind of like, I don't know, give it like, a vibe. Honestly, a thicker belt would be good, but this is so cute also. I didn't fix the back, but you can even let out the back so it actually drops down. She looking cute or what? And then you could pair this with boots, with sneakers, wherever you're going, your pantyhose if you're gonna feel cold. And you don't even have to wear like the black jacket to just have it like white and black. You can wear if you have a other color coat, that would be awesome. I always wondered what a turtleneck would look like with a tie. I was trying to see how I can, style it a little more fancy with a pants. Obviously, you could wear a skirt, but that's what I have on hand. And I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I hate it, to be honest. I don't know if it's because of the colors. Like, it probably could have been in a different color. Um, It'll make it pop more, make it look, I don't know. Because right now it's looking really like I'm going to a funeral type of vibe, which I guess, this type of outfit could come in handy, sadly, for something like that, especially if you're doing it during winter. Okay, so obviously I can go on and on and on, just matching pieces and finding things to put together, but I don't know if you guys want me to do these type of videos more often. Leave me know in the comments if you like that, if you like my style. Also leave me know which one of these outfits that I laid out you guys love the best and why. I would like to know in terms of how the colors match with my color of my skin, if it emphasized my figure, and obviously I'm open to suggestions because again, I'm not a professional, so why not? And again, if you guys was with me from the beginning until now, I really, really appreciate it for you watching like the whole video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends or whoever so we can just continue growing as a community. And then hopefully I can continue to propose inspirational, motivational videos, adulting in my 30s type of vibe. So that will be all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.